Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today I have made chimichurri sauce. It is a marinade as well as a condiment. Um, it tastes very good on the seafood, poultry or veggies, especially when you grill them. And it's one of my favorite sauce. So let's see how we make chimichurri sauce. Okay, to make the chimichurri sauce, I have chopped parsley. I have bought two small bunches of parsley. Then I have chopped oregano, just 2 or 3 tablespoons of oregano. 4 cloves of garlic crushed. Some black pepper, red chili flakes, salt, about 3/4 cup of red wine vinegar, and 3/4 cup of olive oil. So first is I'm going to put all this in this a stone grinder. And then I'm going to add the red wine vinegar and olive oil. We are going to combine it. You can put this in a blender, but I need like a grainy consistency, so I put in this. So this has been blended well, and I see the consistency is also good. There was no need of water. Now this has been done, and I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. So now let's add rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add crushed garlic, then some black pepper, red chili flakes. This is optional, and some salt for taste. And mix together. And our chimichurri sauce is ready. You need to keep this in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days and then start using. As I said earlier, it's good on seafood, poultry, vegetables, anything. Before grilling, or you can use it to top the grilled food. So it's very, very good.